Oh no. Subaru gets the defect because of the tint, and it came stock. That's a bit bullshit, but we live. Oh no.
Yeah. But imagine you just like, fuck it, I'll take it off right now.
Rips the tin off.
Yeah, my son.
Oh, that's sad.
Explain. I'm moving offices, yeah, so I had to move everything out of my.
And you had soy sauce in a drawer, some shit.
Of course, I work there, bro. Of course, I got food there.
I got a lot of baby wipes if you want. Like a
Nah, I probably need to take my seat out. I'm not gonna lie, it's underneath.
Back after. Hey, Abdullah, how long has this been down?
Open the door. 7 months.
Bro, so clean, man. But even when he was on the freeway, bro, clean.
I just say orange extra.
It smells very nice.
I literally just bought a black ice thing.
Oh my god. Well, you should have bought a sushi one instead.
I know, right? That would have actually
soy
paid
sauce
better.
Bro, as if, how'd that happen?
No, you know what Tristan's been doing? He's been slamming some Asian baddies.
Yeah,
Mate,
smells like soy
AJ
sauce in
right?
there.
That's fucking AJ shit. I saw this guy driving.
At least for tonight.
Yeah. Haven't seen you in ages, feels like it.
Vanilla Swiss.
Oh, have a look at my car.
1 sec. Sorry,
Yeah.
Come,
Yes.
come here.
That looks so
How good, yeah?
sick,
How
bro.
fucking good. It's
That
so
looks
clean.
so sick.
The red on red?
I actually love it.
So sick.
I'm up.
Oh, it's in.
Yeah.
1 sec. Open that.
You think you tackle me? You think this is initial B?
Hey, if you want books, it's here, bro.
What the has hair? It's also more. You know what? I've never seen a ball jack on this person.
Bro, that looks so good.
And guess how long it took me to install this?
Longer?
Like 10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Like it was so
30
quick.
minutes for me to cut your bracket.
Ah, that's alright. I was taking it. I was taking a shit.
Yeah, I
Oh,
did the exact same.
I was taking a shit in the meantime, so it's alright.
Yeah, in the fucking toilet. I need take
And he was cutting the shit up.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
Yeah. Sick, yeah. Hey, it fucking matches it. Bro, the first. That's so sick. That sounds sick. Downpipe as well. That just sounds so sick. So sick, late night drives with the broskies. Oh, green light. That's a fucking clean ass.
Hello.
Hey!
How you going?
Buy this.
Oh shit, how much?
42.
Is it yours?
Yeah, 42.
Alright, done.
You serious?
Oh hell no.
He just wasted all of his money trying to get an engine swap done.
Yeah, that's how the car seems.
How the fuck did you get one of these?
What, the Spirit hood?
Yeah.
It was imported with it.
Oh, bro.
Everything on the car was done in Japan.
Well, you hear that? For sale? 42.
42.
42. Just take out a house loan. That's sick, bro.
That's nice.
I wish one of them afforded the whole thing.
If I had the money, I would. That's fucking clean.
not gonna tell me what one person for it. Well, you can't. That's the hardest thing to find. You can have a car that's built more, you know, with more money put into it and whatnot, but with this car, it's pretty much a time.
Trade the RS.
I got a Focus RS. You want to swap?
Focus RS in a hand job. How you can see that?
No, just.
Hold my hand, mate. As you can see the screen now.
Oh yeah.
It's in the
Yep.
middle of the cluster. Have a look. Yeah, break the camera.
Fuck Camry.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
That's actually mad.
It's clean, so hopefully we get some messages.
Yeah.
I can't wait to engine sort mine. I can't wait.
What was your name?
Mason.
Why is that cute?
I know, it sounds like
cute.
It's like a bird, bro.
The engine bay's blue.
That's so fucking. And the spoon headers.
So it used to be white, and then it's gone to blue, and now it's gone to red. So it's fucking shit.
Nice, yeah.
It's fucking shit.
What radio are you running?
I don't know.
How many amps is a subwoofer?
Oh, that? I don't know, dude.
Is that a fucking mini air intake? What is that?
No, that's a breather.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
That looks
because
so
I
cute.
cut all the breather hose, not going look back into the intake.
Has there always been this much space in these cars?
Yeah, there's a
Yeah,
lot
I
of
just
space.
saw it in his one. Yeah. Oh, is it because there's no
I drive this car in summer.
Yeah. Where the fuck is it?
Oh,
You've got the IS200 as well, yeah? You drive that more?
What are you doing, Abdullah?
Where's your intercooler? I don't see it.
It's probably a small one.
where's it?
It's like right there, but you see it from here.
It's half size or full size?
This guy's inspecting the car.
Oh, nah, it's cool, you know.
Really cool.
Calm down.
Man. Nathan, bro. I should have got a Civic. Actually, bro, these cars are fucking bad.
Oh, that's sick.
Do you want a special edition?
Hey!
Take a piss.
What jump scare?
The Brezza sign just comes.
Yeah?
Bleach needs to stop.